Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the July 2021 Dividend Stock Portfolio Update. I'm Ryan, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you're into entrepreneurship, dividend investing, stock market news, all that good stuff, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Today we'll be going over all my buys, sells, dividends received, and all that other good stuff that happened in July. I do this series to hold myself accountable and see the amount of progress we've done every month. My goal for these dividends is to eventually have them pay for the really cool shit in my life that I want in the future, vacations, cool cars, but that starts of course with, having these dividends pay for my monthly expenses. And let's acknowledge a real world problem here that is absolutely a disgusting fact that only 12% of the viewers here are subscribed. So let's at least get that number to 50% of you guys are subscribed. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on post notifications so YouTube alerts you when I post new videos. And guys, one last thing before we start the video. Clearly last week's video, didn't do good. It only got 4 views, 2 of which were from me checking the view count in the comment section. So if it would mean a lot to me if you guys could just leave one thing in the comment section, that I can improve on to make these videos better. Obviously, I can't go out and buy a $10,000 microphone. But one thing I can do, to make these videos, more addicting for you guys. It would mean a lot. Thank you.
Hello, I like money.
See, money doesn't just buy you a better life, better food, better cars, better pussy. It also makes you a better person.
Alright, so today is August 2nd, and I did sell some shares of a company, which is why the dividend income is down. I'll keep it short. It was at $230 before I sold those shares. Again, is the same as last month. 27 out of my 30 investments do pay dividends. My estimated yield was 2.75 before I sold those shares, and my estimated monthly income every month is $18.71, since dividends are not guaranteed, of course. From last month, we've increased our dividend income by about $12. Our yield actually went down about 0.7%, and our estimated monthly income actually stayed the same. Alright, here's a new segment we're going to do in these monthly portfolio updates. We're going to go over my top 5 positions on portfolio weight. First, we got Apple with a humongous 0.60 dividend yield. I'm getting about $5 from them every year in dividend income. That's by far my most valuable position with 6 shares that I own at the moment. Next, we got Microsoft. I feel comfortable with that at my 2 position as well. Then we got Johnson & Johnson, Starbucks, and McDonald's for my 3, 4, and 5. All 5 of these companies are companies that I would love to hold forever, which is why they're in my top 5, and I feel very comfortable with them in all my top 5. To start off, we did actually sell a stock this month, which is one share, my only share of Clorox, at $180.50, plus the around $5 in dividends that I had received from them over the year and a quarter that I had them. I used that Clorox money to buy a share of Disney, so in my opinion, I was just selling quality to buy even higher quality. Unfortunately, I did buy at $200, so I lost around $15, which is definitely not much considered in the long term. I don't think Clorox is a bad company at all. I was just really sick of its bullshit volatility. Then I bought one share of McDonald's at $232.36. Then I bought 2 shares of Kroger at $38.46. One share of Hasbro at $91.85. One share of the Coca Cola Company at $55.38. Then I sold my only energy share, which was Chevron, at $98.92, plus the dividend income I received, at a net gain at around $12. For the time horizon that I'm looking to live off of these dividends, Chevron just didn't make the cut, and I don't look to invest in any energy stocks for my time horizon. I have nothing against energy stocks, but I just personally, I don't think it would fit in with my investing strategy. I used that Chevron money plus some money I had left over to buy 3 shares of the Walgreens Boots Association at $46.52. This is at a really good value in my opinion right now, and I look to add it in my pharmaceutical pharmaceutical position in my portfolio. Walgreens has really good dividend yield right now historically, and I look to dollar cost average into it every month. I'm also really impressed with the new CEO that Walgreens hired, which actually she was in charge of the Starbucks rewards program, and Starbucks is a top 5 position of mine, and honestly one of my favorite stocks to own. So I'm really impressed with that. I think it was a great hire on their part, and she actually has some background in the pharmaceutical part of things, which will really help too. Then I bought one share of Apple at $146.14. I know this is really pricey, but as Warren Buffett once said, it's much better to have a great company at a fair price than a fair company at a great price. And for the last buy of the month, I opened up a new really small position in Stag. They're an industrial REIT with about a 3% dividend yield. I'll look to buy one share a month or dollar cost average into this position. I'm also really looking to make an effort into investing more into some real estate and some REITs. Reasoning is because I've noticed inflation is a really big problem we're facing right now, and if there's more of this Delta variant, there's a good chance there's some more stimulus checks, which is another big issue. So I'm going to be looking to invest more in real estate in the coming months. Alright, now we're on to the fun part where we go over the dividends I received. First of all, we received 28 cents, a whopping 28 cents, I must say, from Nike. We received $2.95 from the Coca Cola Company, $2.28 from Kimberly Clark, $2.58 from the Altria Group, $1.19 from Realty Income, and a grand total of $9.28 for the month of July. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. Make sure to share this video, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave some constructive criticism in the comment section. Have a great day. Don't do drugs and invest money. Have a good one.